All right, we understood the one side of the kitchen cabinets there, and now we're coming to the other wall that we have to fill in here. So I'm taking a look at the plan. Got to the corner, dishwasher, sink base, all my base cabinets. Coming over here, here's my range. Again, range is 30 inches wide. Refrigerator opening is 36 inches wide. So I'm going to put my 30-inch cabinet and a 36-inch cabinet in there to hold space for that. So let's get started. So I'm coming back over here, scrolling through to find my base 30, placing it on the wall, and then I just move it into position. And then I have a base 36 over here, place it on the wall, move it into position. I know that this is my refrigerator and this is my base cabinet for my range. So I'm going to come along here and start figuring this side out. So I have a pantry cabinet. What a pantry cabinet is the base cabinet that goes all the way up to the top of your upper cabinets. So we're going to kind of figure that out and try to figure out how to make that work and how to fill that in. And then we have a cabinet between and a cabinet between. Looking here and looking here, this one here might be about the same size as that. Pantry cabinet looking here is probably, if this is 30 inches, this is probably a 15-inch pantry. So let's put in a 15-inch base cabinet. So base 15. Again, stack it on the wall first. And if I get it to the edge, great. If not, just move it down to the edge. Now I'm going to move it straight over until I get into this corner. There's my pantry cabinet. I'm going to come on this one. Here's my refrigerator opening. So just slid it off. Put it right at the corner of the pantry cabinet. Looking over here, checking my openings. Use the tape measure tool, 2'1", tape measure tool, 2 3/4. So look at that. This is going to work out just fine for us. So I'm going to put in a base 24. And I'm going to put one set of drawers in. Again, put it on the wall, get it to the corner if you can, and then you can move it over. I hit the escape key to deselect it, move that one over, and let's see what just a base 24 looks like. Over here. Alright, so see you got this little opening right here. Here's my 30-inch for my stove. Let's check to see what we have for an opening. 1 3/4 inch. So I'm going to take all of this stuff. Again, just like we did last time, hold down Shift, hit Move, and shift this all over. We have a little extra gap over here. I don't have enough to go 3 inches, so that's going to become a filler on that side. Now I'm going to delete out. This was my stove. This was my refrigerator. And this was my dishwasher. And I'm going to hit save. And this is my base cabinets completed.